Hi, today I'm showing you how to clean your dryer vent system. I purchased this cleaning kit called Lint Eater for around $30, and it's 12 feet long. There are 4 bars that you can attach to each other, and all you have to do is use your drill and push it all the way in, and that will rotate the brush that's on top, and hopefully it will get everything out of there. So let's see how that goes. Here I used 2 pliers just to make sure the connections are tight. What I learned at the end was that I should have probably duct taped the connections, so make sure you do that because you don't want any of these stay in your system, because that would be very bad. You would have to tear down everything to get them out, and you'll see what happened to me shortly. So here I'm using a little screw that they provided. You attach this brush up on top. It takes about 5 minutes to do the setup, and then as you push it in, you see already there is some lint there coming out. So as you push it in back and forth, I was able to attach other little poles and just kept working it in. I don't think 12 feet was enough for my system. I'm thinking I had to have another maybe 5 feet. I'm just guessing, so we'll see how the dryer acts. If it still looks like there is too much lint, then I would have to probably purchase another set, which I didn't want to use. I didn't want to pay another $30 just because extra couple feet. So I kept working it in, and everything, the lint kept coming out, and that was nice. And I just wanted to do another quick brush, and somehow it got tangled up there, and I totally forgot. I told myself before I started doing this, I told myself, just don't put it into the reverse, just keep spinning to the right and you'll be okay. And that's exactly what I did. After the poles got tangled up, I put into the reverse, and 2 of them stayed inside with the brush, so about 6 feet. So that was not good. This looks like one of those videos where you purposely do something, like the videos on YouTube. Purposely they find a problem and then make it all suspensive, but this really happened to me and I was not happy. So but I couldn't believe what I did. I just actually took a flashlight and I made a little video on my phone, but you can't really see. It was probably 6 feet up there where the 90-degree elbow is, and that's where the other end stayed. I was able to see it. So what I did was grabbed a flashlight and took the remaining poles, and I just lay down there for like 5 minutes, and while I had the dust and the lint falling into my eyes, I was able to remember these poles are really, they're not strong at all. They just keep wiggling because they're made that way to so they are more flexible. So I was able to put it in there, and really patiently I touched the end of the other pole that was stuck there and I started turning, twisting, and I was the happiest guy in the world when I was actually able to connect it. So that was unbelievable. I did take another video with my cell phone so I can show you what it looked like. That was really crazy. but make sure you don't do that. Make sure you put some duct tape on your connections and don't turn it left. Keep your drill turning to the right side. But anyway, dryer works much better now, so this was probably a $30 investment, and you don't have to call anyone to get out and do it for you. You can do it yourself. I like to do everything myself, even though I'm not a professional, and sometimes I screw up, but usually it comes out okay. I connected my vacuum shop and sucked out some lint actually, and then I switched it over to the blower option and then blew everything outside. And then at the end here I'm making a little experiment. They keep claiming how this lint is dangerous, that it's flammable, so I went outside and took a video and tried to set it on fire, and yeah, it burned. So make sure you don't have any lint stuck there because of all the heat that's happening in the dryer and in this duct system. Make sure you clean regularly and stay safe in your house. Thanks for watching another video. Come back soon for more, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you.